Hey everybody, it's RJ and this is the high score review for Rob Rodney bags. So, Rob Rodney creates artist-inspired bags that are part lockbox and part fashion statement. The bags focus on safety without compromising style. So thank you to Rob Rodney for sending over a bag for this video. As you can see, this is the large size bag in black, which comes in at $79.99 on the website and comes in a variety of colorways. They also have a smaller size bag that comes in at $49.99, as well as exclusive designs that are made in collaboration with artists that come in around between $120 and $160 per bag. So I gotta say, straight up, full disclosure, from the moment I started using this bag, I really liked it. The outside of every bag features 100% premium leather and comes with either a TSA approved luggage lock or a padlock. And inside you'll find customizable compartments that make traveling and organizing unique to you, including 2 interior bags that are magnetically attached, one made of leather and one made of breathable mesh, and 4 airtight bamboo lid jars. The bag also features a side compartment which you can use to store your favorite cannabis instrument, assuming that it fits in the bag. So what I really dig about these bags are the attention to detail. You can really tell that Rob Rodney pays attention to their product design. The accents with the Rob Rodney on the top of the handle, as well as the stamped logo on the front, are a great touch. It's all very expertly crafted and meticulously planned. The metal studs on the bottom of the bag are a really great touch. And overall, the entire design is sleek, stylish, understated with premium finishes, and the adaptable segmented storage system is really great for customization. You know, the bags offer safety, absolutely, without compromising aesthetics, design, and quality. And it's really refreshing to see a sophisticated approach to cannabis accessories and branding, which has certainly changed over the years and has definitely got away from that very stereotypical image of a pothead or a cannabis user, which definitely still has its place, but it is, again, refreshing and great to see this more design-friendly approach. Now, what would I change or update, if anything? Well, I took the liberty of adding these dry erase sticker labels to the jars, which I think would be a really great addition, just so that you can, of course, keep up to date with what exactly you have in that jar, what strain you have in that jar. You know, one thing that you may have likely noticed about cannabis accessories is that they tend to accumulate and spread out and take up a lot of space on your table. And for that, I would highly suggest checking out that plane that's flying overhead. And for that, I would highly recommend giving Rob Rodney bags a try. So, all that being said, the official high score for Rob Rodney bags is a solid 90. So that's it for this one, y'all. Definitely give Rob Rodney bags a try and let me know in the comments if you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out.